today's video, I'm going to recreate the look that I was wearing in my Sephora recommendations video under $50. I did 2 Sephora videos, so I wanted to specify, but that look was so glam, but so still soft skin and wearable, and everything is from Sephora. From the Sephora brand to Merit, Mario, Tower 28, RHODE, DIOR, ESTÉE, a little bit of everything. So I'm really excited to recreate it and share it with you. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's hydrate and begin. I'm posting this on the last day of the sale, so make sure you get your last orders in, because I know I am. I got one more. I want to do just one last order because I've been getting some really great recommendations from you guys. So I'm going to just do one last sweep. But skin is prepped, skin is ready. Let's dive on in and recreate this look. My lips are already prepped with my Wise Like a Gloss Hydrating Lip Mask. This stuff is so good. I reordered one of these because it's just so good. Now this brand outside of Sephora, if you want to order it direct, I do have a discount code if you want to save a little if the sale is over by the time you're seeing this and you want to try the brand out. I'll have everything listed and linked down below for you. So I gave my skincare a bit of time to sink in and sit on my skin before I go in with my primer. But I'm going in with my Wise Skin Glow Primer. This has an SPF of 30. This gives such a healthy radiance to the skin. It's perfect under foundation, especially for a glam look that still feels light. Now this is also something you could totally wear on its own, and I do that quite often because it gives the skin that nice, healthy, natural glow with SPF. I love glam, but I always prioritize skin. Skin first and then makeup. That's my mindset. And this combo that I've been doing recently, my goodness, it's been so outstanding. So what I've been doing is I've been mixing this RHODE glazing milk with my DIOR stick foundation. You know what? I need to clean this off. That's embarrassing. Hold on. I was in a rush the last time I used this stick, so let me clean it off really quick because ew. All right, so what I do is I will go in with the stick on my hand, okay? Apply it to my hand because it's melted and it's warm and it's ready. And then I'll take my glazing milk, and I don't use a lot of this. I use like 1 or 2 drops. And I just right in the middle of my hand. And I guess whatever's left, I'll take it up too. Then I take my Patrick Ta brush, my foundation brush, and I mix together. And let's go. This combo adds that glazed skin glow, but keeps the coverage polished and smooth. And it wears like this all day. So comfortable because this foundation stick on its own is outstanding. But I like mixing, just like this little combo cocktail. It is beautiful. Skin still looks like skin, but it's glowing and there's a touch of coverage. A part of prep today did include the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. Let me tell you something, every single time I use this and then I wear concealer, it never fails. It hydrates, it's very comfortable, and it definitely helps products last longer. But also, this concealer in particular, this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. I believe this was reformulated. I've only tried this one. I haven't tried any before. But this concealer, this is some serious business. This concealer never lets me down. This concealer will go. I truly feel that this is a true 24-hour. I don't do that. Don't wear your makeup for 24 hours. But I do really feel that this is a true 24-hour long-lasting product. Wow. This concealer never lets me down. It's long wearing, it brightens beautifully, and it blends seamlessly. You don't need a lot of this stuff because woo-hoo-hoo, coverage, hello. hello. I'm gonna blend this with a sponge because I don't want it to be, again, we're going for that skin vibe. And whatever's left, I'm going to take on the lid. We'll use that as primer today for our eye look. This is also very lightweight and thin. It's not heavy. I used to stay away from the double wear line completely because I thought it was just too thick, you know, just too much. I even have the foundation. The foundation is great too. Look at that under eye. Hello. Now to set, I am going in with my One Size blurring powder. This is in Ultra Pink. So I'm going to put a little bit in the cap here. Very, very, very light layers because light layers are key. This brightens my under eyes and it adds that soft, focused finish without looking dry. And then whatever's left in there, again, light layers are key. Just lightly set the rest of the face. Very lightly. Look how good that powder is. Yeah. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario. This is the SoftSculpt Blurring Bronzer. This little blush is from the Merit Holiday Set, the Mini Flush Blush Balm Trio. This shade in particular is Le Bonbon. I'm going to apply this, pick up. This brush diffuses blush and melts it into the skin so beautifully, but the Merit formula is great as well. I don't have to build it up too much. I like kind of sheer, but you know, still a little flush. For highlight, we're going in with the Gucci Glow Highlighter. This is the shade number 4, Opal Pink. I'm kind of stippling this into the skin because I don't want it to be too beaming because this already is a very strong highlighter. I love this formula. But for the look today, we'll kind of sort of keep it a little tad toned down. So this is from the Sephora collection. This is the Precious Gemstones palette. This is titanium quartz. Great formula, pigmented, blendable, all the things you want in this little shadow. So I'm going to start with that base shade. And I'm just going to pat this all over. I'm going to go into this shade. Start off on my outer eye and then into the crease. See how nice and easy these blend on the eyes? We'll take a little bit of that shade and we'll bring it down just a bit. I'm now going to go into this darker shade here and build on the outer eye. Not too much, just a little to build definition and depth. It's very easy to work with these shadows. I'm going to clean the brush off, and whatever's left, we're going to just blend it inward in the crease. Into the darker shade. Under eye. Such an affordable palette, and I love this color story, and the formula is outstanding. All right, now for my lids. Tower 28. These are little shimmer sticks, and I'm going to be using 2 colors. First up is Garden. Definitely keep those little plastic caps. This shade, oh, so good. So this is going on majority of my lid. And then I just take the brush and make sure there's no harsh line between the shadows and this little jelly stick. I'm I'm gonna let that settle down and let's work on the other side. And if I feel I need to build it, we'll build it. But look how easy. These are so pretty, so fun. Kidding me? So easy. And that stays on my lid like that all day. And I love it to bits. So let's make sure to put this cap, little plastic cap back on. That helps with it from drying out. Now I'm going to go into the shade Roxy. And this is going on my inner eye. This brush is shedding like crazy. All right, so we're going to put Roxy on the innermost portion. And let me grab that brush so we can meld everyone together. Just blending so there's no harshness. Look how fun and pretty. And these don't crease, they wear all day. These just glide on so effortlessly. And they're so easy to work with. Now for the waterline, I have this from Prada Beauty. This is a very appropriate color too. I like that this will brighten my waterline without being harsh. Because if you go in with a color that's too light, it can be a little too much. And these do not budge. These stay put all day in the waterline. For mascara, I'm going in with the Tower 28. For lashes, I'm going to be using these from Lily Lashes. Now these are self-adhesive. Takes all the worry, the trouble out of lash glue and, you know, the whole shebang. These are also half lashes and they're in the styled Wild Child. Give your eyes that instant lift and again, the convenience of self-adhesive. Yeah. Now before I do my lip, I'm going to do a bit of setting spray. This is the One Size Power Melt Glass Setting Spray. This is going to just pull everything together and leave the skin with the most beautiful glow. Along with it leaving the skin looking absolutely beautiful, it just locks everything into place. And again, it's going to leave my skin with the glass skin sheen. I'm going to remove that lip prep that we had, which was the Wise Beauty lip mask. Because the product that I'm going to use now, you definitely want your lips nice and clean so that it works best. For liner, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Lip Stain, the shade Baby Pink. And with this, you want to work in sections. And then I'm going to layer it with my Guerlain lipstick. Just a moment for the gorgeous packaging. Ah! Now this is a red shade, but the way that I applied it for this look is not your traditional application. I just dabbed it so I can get a soft little wash of color. This little soft wash just pulls everything together. And then just for a little extra gloss and shine, I'm going in with a Merit gloss. These are so comfortable. Here's our finished look. I love that it's very skin. I'm polished, I'm flushed, I'm glowy, my skin looks healthy. It's not heavy, it's so comfortable. The eyes are a fun pop. The lips are hydrated with just a touch of color. Enjoy the last day of the sale. I'm going to do one last order. I've gotten so many great recommendations from you guys. I mean, I have to. It's imperative. I'll have everything listed and linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much for letting me share this look with you, and thank you for spending your time with me today. If you've enjoyed today's video, take a moment and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you soon.